Listen up, guys. What if I told you there's one spot on your body that most men never think about? A spot that, when you treat it right, can help bring back that confidence you thought was gone for good. I'm not talking about what you think. This isn't about your penis or some complicated exercise routine. It's about a secret spot that holds the key to better blood flow, stronger sensations, and yes, better erections. I'm Dr. Laura, and in my years helping men over 50, I've seen this simple technique work when nothing else would. Today, you're going to learn exactly where this spot is and how to use it with one natural ingredient you can get at any store. By the time we're done, you'll know why castor oil is such a game changer and exactly how to use it tonight. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could change everything for you. Here's what really happens to your body after 50, and trust me, it's not your fault. Your erections aren't just about getting turned on. They're like a perfect team effort between your brain, your blood vessels, your nerves, and your hormones. When you're younger, this team works like a well-oiled machine, but after 50, some team players start slowing down. Your blood vessels get a little stiffer. They don't open up as wide as they used to, so when you need that rush of blood for a strong erection, it takes longer to get there. And when it does arrive, it's harder to keep it where you need it. Your testosterone, the hormone that drives your desire and keeps everything working, starts dropping bit by bit each year. You might not notice it at first, but your body sure does. Then there are your nerve endings. These tiny messengers that carry pleasure signals from your penis to your brain can get less sensitive over time. What used to feel amazing might now feel just okay. And here's something most guys don't know about your pelvic floor muscles. These deep muscles act like a clamp, keeping blood locked in your penis during an erection. But like any muscle, they can get weak if you don't use them right. The good news: your body is way tougher than you think. Even after 50, it can bounce back in ways that'll surprise you. You just need to know how to wake it up again. Now, let me tell you about castor oil. This isn't some miracle cure, it's just science that works. Castor oil has something special in it called ricinoleic acid. This natural compound does 3 amazing things for your body. First, it fights inflammation, those tight, tense areas that have been bothering you. Castor oil helps them relax and heal. Second, it gets your blood moving. When you massage it into your skin, it helps your blood vessels open up and let more oxygen-rich blood flow through. More blood flow means better erections. Third, it wakes up your lymphatic system, your body's cleanup crew. This system clears out toxins and waste that can slow down healing and make your tissues sluggish. For hundreds of years, people have used castor oil packs on sore muscles, stiff joints, and tired organs. Why? Because it soaks deep into your tissues. It doesn't just sit on top of your skin, it goes where it's needed most. When you apply castor oil to the right spot, it can help tight muscles let go, improve blood flow to your erectile tissues, and wake up nerve endings that have been quiet for too long. Think of it as gently reminding your body how to work like it used to. So, where exactly should you apply this oil? The spot is called your perineum. It's that soft area between your scrotum and your anus. I know it might seem like an odd choice, but here's why this spot is so powerful. Right under that skin is your bulb spongius muscle. This muscle works like a natural clamp, helping trap blood in your penis and keep your erections firm. Running through this area are branches of your pudendal nerve, the main nerve that carries pleasure signals to and from your brain. There are also arteries here that feed fresh, oxygen-rich blood directly to your erectile tissue. In other words, this isn't just skin, it's mission control for your sexual performance. When you massage castor oil into this area, you're doing something powerful. You're helping those muscles relax and release tension. You're encouraging blood vessels to open up and deliver better flow, and you're waking up nerve pathways that might have been sluggish for years. This is especially helpful if you've noticed your morning erections aren't as strong, or if you're losing hardness too quickly during intimacy. By targeting this control center, you're tackling the root causes instead of just the symptoms. Here's exactly how to use this technique for the best results. Start by making sure the area is clean and completely dry. This helps the oil soak in without any barriers. Take 1 teaspoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil. Make sure it's high quality and unrefined. This keeps all the healing compounds intact. Warm the oil by rubbing it between your hands or placing the spoon in warm water for a few minutes. You want it pleasantly warm, not hot. Find a comfortable position where you can easily reach your perineum. Using slow, firm but gentle pressure, start massaging the oil into the area between your scrotum and anus. Massage the muscle underneath, but don't cause any discomfort. Use small, steady circles or gentle strokes. Cover the entire area and take your time, at least 2 to 3 minutes. This isn't about speed, it's about giving your body time to respond and your muscles time to relax. Focus on your breathing while you do this. Slow, deep breaths help release even more tension and let your body welcome the sensation. When you're done with the massage, place a warm, damp towel over the area for about 15 minutes. The combination of heat and oil creates deeper penetration and boosts circulation even more. I recommend doing this in the evening when your body is already winding down. This lets the oil work overnight without interruption and helps you sleep more relaxed. Some guys notice changes within just a few days. You might feel a gentle warmth, a slight tingling, or just more aliveness in your pelvic area. For others, the improvements build more slowly, over 2 to 4 weeks. You might notice stronger morning erections, better staying power during intimacy, or just more confidence in your body's ability to perform. Remember, this isn't like taking a pill. It's about gradually retraining your body and restoring the natural systems that support healthy function. Every body responds at its own pace, and that's perfectly normal. You might also notice some unexpected benefits. Many men tell me they feel less tension in their lower back, better bladder control, or just a general sense of ease in their pelvic area. Since the nerves and muscles in this region are all connected, improving one area often helps others too. Castor oil works best when you support it with healthy daily habits. Stay well hydrated throughout the day. Good hydration helps your blood flow freely and keeps your tissues healthy and responsive. Eat plenty of leafy greens and beets. These foods naturally boost nitric oxide, which helps your blood vessels open wide and deliver more oxygen everywhere, including where you need it most. Include healthy fats in your diet, like salmon, walnuts, and olive oil. These provide the building blocks for healthy testosterone levels and flexible blood vessel walls. Consider adding some gentle pelvic floor exercises to your routine. Kegels, when done right, can strengthen the exact muscles that help you maintain strong erections. And don't forget about your mental health. Stress floods your body with hormones that tighten blood vessels and kill desire. Taking time each day to relax, whether through deep breathing, a quiet walk, or just sitting peacefully, helps your body stay in the right state for intimacy. Castor oil is generally safe for external use, but choose a pure cold-pressed variety to get all the benefits without added chemicals. Don't use it on broken or irritated skin, as this can cause discomfort. If you experience any significant pain, sudden changes in function, or other unusual symptoms, see your doctor right away. If you're taking medications for blood pressure, heart problems, or circulation issues, let your physician know before starting any new routine, even a natural one like this. Here's what I want you to remember. Your body is far more adaptable than you think. Even after 50, it's capable of responding, healing, and regaining strength in ways that can truly amaze you. With the right care and consistent effort, you can reignite that confidence you thought was gone forever. Try this castor oil technique regularly, and support it with healthy habits from the inside out. Don't rush the process, trust it. Your body knows how to heal. Sometimes, it just needs the right encouragement. This is Dr. Laura, and I believe in your body's ability to restore and renew itself. Take care of yourself, listen to what your body is telling you, and never stop believing in its power to surprise.